How to use Extrude Boss in Vertex through all. How to use, we'll learn it. At first, open the SolidWorks software and how to use contour. We'll learn it everything. At first, file and new part. Okay. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the center rectangular. We give the measurement. This line 100. Okay, this line 160. Okay, we can 200, no problem. Okay, go to feature and extrude. Now 10 extrude. Okay, now go to again front plane and go to reference geometric, take plane. Now after 680. Okay, now this face is sketch, this plane is sketch, normal tool. Draw the center rectangular, same dia, no problem. Select automatically fully define. I'll go to extrude, need 10 extrude. Okay, now go to this plane height, go to front plane again and go to reference geometric plane and need 160, 180, no problem. Okay, this plane is case, normal tool, same draw rectangular, same size, select. Okay, this point, control this line, pierce, coincident. Okay, same this line, control this line, linear. Okay, go to Control Z, draw the rectangular again, this point and this point. Okay, now automatically fully define. We'll go to feature and extrude boss, again 10 extrude. Okay, now this plane height, go to again plane front, reference geometry plane. Now 100, 280. Okay, now this face is case, this way plane is case, normal tool, or draw circle, or draw 4 circle. Okay, select. We get the dimension 35. Okay, 35. We can 35. Okay, right button and select. This circle, control this circle, control this circle, control this circle, equal. Now we can give dimension, this circle and this circle distance 50. Okay, we can this point and this point distance 15. Okay, this point, control this point, horizontal, same this point, control this point, horizontal. Now this point, control this point, horizontal, this point, control this point, horizontal. Now give the dimension, this point and this point, dimension 50. Okay, this point and this point distance 40. Okay, now there are fully defined. We can use 40. Okay. Now we go to feature. We use contour, extrude. We can use contour. Select contour, click. Now this circle, click. Move to direction, or go to blind box, click. At first through all, we click through all. Through all means every rectangular both circle. Then through all means this face. Okay. Now again this is click, and this is again go to again this is click, go to extrude. Now go to again select contour, now select this circle, direction change. Now go to through all. Okay, and up to next, we click up to next. Up to next means this face distance. Okay, now again this click and go to extrude, and select contour. Now this circle need direction change and go to up to surface. Up to surface mean any surface, click. I click this surface. Now automatically this surface distance extrude. Okay, now again this is click, go to Extrude Boss and select contour, this circle, click, direction chain up to vertex. Vertex mean any edge you can. This is click. Now distance this face. Okay, make my OA learn contour use and vertex and through all next. Thank you all, everybody share and like, and you have any question you write